Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. स्क्रीन दिसते ना माझी?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Online spoken English education, day 8. Today's topic is birds. We are studying about, first of all, the words. We want to build up.
Sir, आवाज break व्हायला. Sir, आवाज break व्हायला. Sir, आवाज break व्हायला.
Okay. It's a network problem. आवाज break होता है. Spoken English, day 8, topic birds. We are studying about the word power. We want to build up our word vocabulary.
Sir, break होता है आवाज.
सर ब्रेक होला सर.
समर बस. Okay. शब्दसाठा वाढवण्यासाठी आपण हा प्रयत्न करत आहोत. वेगवेगळे टॉपिक घेऊन शब्दांचा साठा कसा वाढवता येतो हा सुरुवातीला आपला पॅटर्न असेल. त्यानंतर मग आपण छोटे छोटे घटक घेऊन ग्रामर आणि स्पोकनच्या भागामध्ये कसं जाता येईल आणि आपल्याला इंग्रजीमध्ये कसं बोलता येईल त्याविषयी आपण सविस्तर घेणार आहोत. ओके. आज 8वा दिवस. टॉपिक बर्ड्स, पक्षी. Yesterday we have seen about the animals. Today we are going to see about the birds. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Do not forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. It's very, very important to do because I give a new videos every day. Birds. You know the birds. See in this picture. Think about it. What are the names of these birds? Can you guess the name of birds?
Peacock, squirrel, sparrow, pigeon, penguin, parrot, eagle, vulture, penguin, pigeon, kingbird, ostrich, parrot, pigeon, peacock, owl, pigeon, eagle है, eagle, vulture, peacock, sparrow, penguin, parrot, woodpecker, crane, peacock, crane, penguin, sparrow, peacock, parrot, eagle, owl, ostrich, hummingbird, woodpecker, pigeon, woodpecker, penguin, parrot, kingbird, peacock,
सर तुमची स्क्रीन स्टॉप झाली.
माझी स्क्रीन अजिबात स्टॉप नाही, मी थांबवलंय. आपला माईक बंद करा असं सांगितलेलं होतं आणि आपल्या चर्चा चालू आहे. माईक कोणाचा चालू आहे बघा आणि बंद करा. मी तुमचं ऐकत बसलो, माझं तुम्ही ऐकायचं कुठं गेलंय? यात वेळ वाया जातो.
माईक बंद करा म्हणाले.
दुसरी गोष्ट, आपल्याला विचारल्याशिवाय माईक अनम्यूट करू नका. त्याच्या अगोदरच ओरडायला लागले एककडून, मग मी बंद केलो. वेळ वाया गेला आपला. वेळ असतो 40 मिनिटाचा, त्यात जर 10 मिनिटं अशात घातलं तर तुमचा फायदा किती होतो बघून घ्या. ओके. फक्त ज्याचं नाव घेतलं त्यांनी ऑन करा, बाकीच्यांनी ऑन करायची गरज नाही. आणि पथ्य पाळा, कुठल्याही बटनाला हात लावू नका. What is this? Birds.
This is one question.
This is our activity. By saying one question, to know the different names of different birds or different things or different objects. Today we are studying about the birds. So this is also one activity. That is, what is this? And if you give the answer, then we know the one name. One question, many answers. By this activity, we learn or we produce our vocabulary more and more. Or same question, different answers. Same question when we ask to different birds, then the answers are different, but the question is same.
Sir, आवाज खूप ब्रेक व्हायलाय. हो सर, आवाज ब्रेक होतोय. सर, आवाज खूप ब्रेक व्हायलाय.
Okay, first of all, you stop your.
This is a parrot.
A parrot.
This is a parrot.
No need to say you.
Parrot.
I'm again saying.
This is a parrot. This is a parrot.
Only think about it. When I call you, at that time you say the answers. Remember what I am saying. Konkatwar, what is this? Konkatwar, what is this? You don't know? Okay. Indrayani, what is this?
The parrot.
Parrot. Okay. This is a parrot.
This is a parrot.
What is this? Gloria.
This is a sparrow.
This is a sparrow.
Shoria.
This is a sparrow.
Yes. Okay. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. What is this? Gayatri Patil. You need to say the others.
This is crow.
I'm asking to Gayatri Patil. What is this?
This is crow.
Indrayani. Indrayani.
This is the crow.
Yes.
This is the crow.
What is this? This is a crow. Okay. What is this?
Pigeon.
What is this pigeon?
Pigeon.
Harshavardhan, what is this?
This is the pigeon.
Sakshi or Harshavardhan, who is there? What is this? What is the name of this picture? Chaitanya,
क्या?
what is this?
This is a pigeon.
Pigeon or pigeon?
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Okay. This is a pigeon. What is this? Atharva.
This is a cock.
Cock. This is a cock. Okay. What is this? Abhinav. Do you know the name of this bird? Raise your hand. Who know the? Raise your hand. Otherwise, lower your hands. Srishti.
This is a cuckoo.
It is a cuckoo.
Yes. कुक्कू. मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतात रे कुक्कूला?
कोकिला.
कोकिला.
Kokia.
Yes, yes. हिंदी में कोयल, कुक्कू, कोकिला. Okay. What is this?
This is a pigeon. Penguin.
This is a penguin.
This is a penguin. This is a penguin.
Okay, let it be. Preeti. What is this?
Penguin.
Penguin. Yeah. This is a penguin. What is this?
This is a ostrich. This is a Australia.
This is a ostrich.
Rohini Kasbe.
This is a not Australia. This is a ostrich.
Is it ostrich?
Yes.
It's a emu.
This is a emu.
Emu, emu. It is known as emu. E-M-U.
This is the emu.
Yes. This is an emu. What is this?
Sir,
What
This
is
is
this?
the eagle.
this is a eagle.
It's a eagle. Sir,
Yes.
लाईनी कोण मारतंय की? सर, कोणीतरी रेषा मारत आहे स्क्रीनवर.
कोणाचं चालू आहे? What is this?
What is this eagle?
This is a eagle.
Eagle. What is this? This is an eagle. This is an eagle. What is this?
This is a ostrich.
This is ostrich.
Suyesh. Suyesh. What is this?
Ostrich.
Ostrich. There is a difference between emu and ostrich. You saw here the picture of emu and picture of ostrich. Okay? It's a ostrich. This is an ostrich. Now, another activity, that is many questions, many answers. Different questions, different answers. This is also one of the activity. By asking questions, we know the different things about only one bird or about only one object. Okay? Shaurya. What is this?
What is this? This is a peacock.
Yes. This is a peacock. You know the bird, peacock. Did you see peacock? Sudarshan. Sudarshan, did you see peacock?
This is a peacock.
Yes, I know, but did you see? तू मोर पाहिला का प्रत्यक्षात?
Yes.
Tanvi.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Tanvi, did you see
Yes.
peacock?
Yes, I see peacock. And see peacock.
Yeah. Yes, I saw a peacock. Okay. What is the color of peacock? Swami.
Green.
Peacock color is blue.
Swami.
Peacock is colorful.
Green color.
Peacock is colorful.
Ah, yes.
Green color. रंगीबेरंगीला colorful म्हणतात.
The color of the peacock is green and blue, and additional there are so much, but generally green and blue. Is it our national bird?
Yes,
Yes.
our national bird.
Yes, it is our national bird. Sanjeevani, read the fifth question.
How do you feel when you see peacock?
Yes. How do you feel when you see peacock? Now say the answer also. जेव्हा तुम्ही या मोराला बघता तेव्हा तुम्हाला कसं वाटतं?
कसं जाणवतं?
आनंद वाटतो का दुःख वाटते?
आनंद आनंद हॅपी peacock. आनंद
Okay, okay. This type of questions, different questions are there and different answers we get from it. By the way, we study about that object or we speak about that object or birds or animals, whatever may be there. So ask some questions about that object and find out the answer. This is the one way to produce or to develop our English speaking. Can you develop?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Konkatwar.
This is the head. This is the head.
Konkatwar. Are you a Konkatwar?
This is pen.
माईक ज्यांचा चालू आहे त्यांनी बंद करायचंय. ज्यांना विचारलं त्यांनीच उत्तर द्यायचंय. ओके. अथर्व कदम. What is this?
This is the hen.
Yes. This is a hen. It's not a cock. Before this, we studied about the cock. There is a difference between two birds or two pictures. Cock is different and hen is different. Okay. Second, is it have a black color?
Yes, it is have black color.
No.
Yes, it has.
Yes, it have a black color. No, a black.
अरे ही कोंबडी काळी कुठे आहे?
Have black color.
The
Not a black color.
red and brown.
No, it isn't. ही काळी कोंबडी नाही. Third question, read Abhinav.
What does the hen eat?
What does the hen eat? Now answer.
Sir,
Hen eat ants. Grain. Hen eat a grain.
Grain again.
hen eat a insect.
And insect. And insect.
Tanvi.
Sir, insects पण खातात की?
Yes.
The hen is
The hen eats grains and insects, both. Grains and insects. आवाज येतोय. माईक ज्यांचा चालू आहे त्यांनी बंद करा. दुसरा आवाज नको. फोर्थ, who give us eggs? आपल्याला अंडे कोण देते हो?
Hen. Hen gives eggs.
You are hen. Hen gives eggs.
Hen gives us eggs. Rohini Kasbe. Read fifth question.
Where does the hen live?
Can you guess the answer? उबिले. आपला आवाज म्यूट करा. आवाज येतोय बाहेर. शौर्य. Rohini, can you guess the answer of this question? Where does the hen live? कोंबडी जिथं बांधून ठेवतात त्या घराला काय म्हणतात?
The hen lives in a coop. Sir, coop. Hen live in coop.
Yeah. The hen lives in the coop. एखादा प्राणी असेल किंवा पक्षी असेल तर त्यांचं नाव आणि ते कुठे राहतात त्या घराला काय म्हणतात, इथपर्यंत ते काय खातात, त्यांचा कलर कोणता आहे आणि ते आपल्याला कसे उपयोगी आहेत याबद्दल सर्व माहिती जी आपण विचारतो हे डिफरंट क्वेश्चन्स मध्ये घ्यायचं असतं. This type of question we take in the different questions and we get the different answer. Writing question, it means preparing questions. It means constructing the sentence, question sentence. That is also important. That is one of the skill. And after then giving the answers, if it may be informative or yes no type, that type of questions answers are required. So answering is also one of the skill. To develop these questioning and answering, this type of different questions and different answers you want to prepare. Please remember such type of questions, prepare yourself and find out the answers. Okay. We see the second one. Varad.
This is the pen.
This is a penguin.
आता ज्यांना बोललो ना त्याला मी रिमूव्ह करतो.
This is a penguin.
ज्यांना बोललो त्याला मी रिमूव्ह करतो. मी नाव घेतोय ना. माईक चालू झाला की रिमूव्ह करतो मी आता. आपलं नाव घेतलं तरच बोलायचं अन्यथा नाही. मी पहिल्यांदा सूचना दिलेली आहे. दुसऱ्यांनाही शिकू द्या ना. Varad, what is this?
This is a penguin.
Preeti, read the second question. Yes, Preeti Patil, what happened? Okay, Sanjivani, read it.
Does the penguin walk? Yes, the penguin walk.
Srashti Kadam, what is the answer of this question?
Yes, penguin walk.
Yes, the penguin walks like human. Okay. Third, Indrayani, read the question.
What does the penguin eat?
Yeah. What does the penguin eat? It is not in our area, but you want to know the all birds information. So this is one of the more question. What does the penguin eat? Can you guess?
Yes, sir, I am guess. Yes, I am guess. Penguin eats a fish.
Raise only hands. Don't start your audio. The penguin eats fish. Suyesh, read the fourth.
Does it live near water?
Does it live near water? Sonakshi, what is the answer?
No, it live near water ice.
Yes, it lives near water in snow area. It lives near water, but in snow area. Not only on the snow area. Okay. Fifth question. Tanvi, read the question.
Where does the penguin find?
Where does the penguin find? Do you know about answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, I guess Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Sir, I guess.
Sir, penguin find in Antarctica.
The penguin finds at Antarctica. Yeah, these are the different questions and we find out different answers of these questions. It is one of the way to develop our speaking or writing or constructing the sentences. So prepare this type of questions again and again. Take any birds in your area which you know and find out the question, prepare some questions and find out the answers. Okay. Now it's time for today's homework. Write all names of given bird and one sentence about it. I given here all birds and their names also. Write down each and every bird names and find out the Marathi name of these birds. What we call? Suppose dove. What is the name of dove in Marathi?
Kabutar.
Kabutar. Okay. वेगवेगळे शब्द इथे इंग्रजीतले दिलेले आहेत या सगळ्या पक्ष्यांचे. तर या सर्व पक्ष्यांची नावं आपल्याला मराठीत लिहायची. बघा होमवर्क आहे. याची स्क्रीनशॉट काढून घ्यायची. वाटल्यास व्हिडिओ बघायचा पुन्हा पुन्हा आणि या सर्व व्हिडिओ ओके प्रिपेअर सम क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर्स अबाउट इट. आणि त्या सर्व पक्ष्यांच्या बाबतीत आपल्याला उत्तरं लिहायचे आहेत, प्रश्न आणि उत्तरं तयार करायचे. पुन्हा शेवटी काय करायचं, एक पक्षी घ्यायचा, जसं आपण पेंग्विन घेतलं, पिकॉक घेतलं, आणि त्याच्यावरती 5-5 प्रश्न तयार करायचे. होमवर्क मात्र काही मोजके करत आहे. Some specific students are doing their homework and others are not doing homework. Please remember, I want your homework each and every day. आपल्याला जर तासाचा फायदा घ्यायचा असेल तर होमवर्क केलेलं पाहिजे, अन्यथा ऍडमिट करत असताना तासाला ऍडमिट केलं जाणार नाही. ही आपल्याला सक्त वॉर्निंग होती. तुम्ही माझ्या नावाने इथं आलात तर आपण काहीतरी शिकलो पाहिजे, हे मात्र पक्क ठरवून कामाला लागायचं. ओके, उगा नुसतं येऊन महाराजाचं कीर्तन नाही ऐकायला. सुधारणा करा. Once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Do not forget to like, comment and share to your friends. Okay? It's our spoken English class. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
no, sir.
Okay. Is it a way easy to learn the different words?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
काय बोलायचंय तुला, बोल पोंकटवार. काय म्हणतोस, बोल.
मला पण क्वेश्चन आम्हाला
हो,